Go over there.
I'll give you those. I'll even buy you a beer.
Oh my God, no!
Open!
No!
Open! Alright, it's on you now.
It's the fucking system!
Please get it off! Please get it off! Please get it off! Please get it off! I don't want to touch it! I don't want to touch it! Get it off! Serious! Get the fucking thing off! I will break your camera. Where is it at?
I'm not touching it.
Right there.
Stay still, it's crawling towards your ear.
Jesse's gonna love this video.
Actually, I tell you the truth, I don't know where it went to when it fell.
Alright, take your
Why do I hang out with y'all?
Kick me, dude. That's why I got behind him.